Brass Wind Band Category B. Fifth place, with an average score of 86.99, goes to
Sabang National High School, Sabang Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Oh, Sabang.
Go, dali. Bilis at tingad ka mo.
Tingag. Oh, tingag, tamawaran.
Score of 89.09 goes to fourth place.
Fourth place goes to Bicol College.
Bicol College, Sakpon, Caraga, Albay. Third place, with an average score of 93.48, third place goes to
Pasacao Academy, Santa Rosa del Norte.
Pasacao, Camarines Sur, Pasacao Academy.
Sige.
Bilis!
Ayan na.
Sige. Sabay tukaw. Yan, sige. Dito sa kabila. Sa kabila. Second place, with an average score of 93.71. Best Marching Brass Wind Band, Category B, goes to
Okay, Shigeru Technological College.
Francia, Iriga City.
Iriga City.
Second place.
Oh, akyat.
First place, Best Marching Brass Wind Band Category B, with an average score of 94.83, goes to
Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Pasacao. Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Place, naman kita sa
Best Marching Brass Wind Band Category A.
Category A. Lima lang. Category A. Asan ang category A? Okay. Sige, huwag kayong mag-alala.
Best Marching Brass Wind Band Category A. Fifth place, with an average score of 95.92, goes to
Side ka mo, taga-side ka mo. Bato. UNC!
University of Nueva Cáceres. Fifth place.
Nakulay niya po. Partner, UNC! Bayaan niyo hindi ang Quran. Ulan lang yan. Kadete kayo. Yes.
Fourth place, with an average score of 96.80, goes to
Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation.
Paras Kanaman Camarines Sur.
Paras ka naman, Camarines Sur. Okay.
Third place, with an average score of 96.88, goes to
CSPC Nabua.
Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, San Miguel, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Third place.
Andun sila sa tinampo. O sige, sagat na.
Second place. Second place, with an average score of 97.58, goes to
Bicol High School.
for the Arts and Culture, San Jose, Pili, Camarines Sur.
Oh, sige na.
Sakat na, sakat na. Sakat na.
Oh, sige.
Bilis na po. Bilis, bilis, bilis. O, ingat lang, ingat.
Luma na yan. Sinasabi mo sa ito, luma na yan.
First place. With an average score of 98.32. First place goes to
Goes to Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation of Legazpi City. Okay. Oh, hindi naman kita sa major. Ayon sa